cracking LSPK smoke cover. I hope everyone's staying safe and healthy out there. Quarantine life is definitely something different, but like everyone else, I'm trying to make the best use of my time, and one of the things I really miss doing is working on building little model cars, and that's everything from the model car that looks like these two, or even an RC car which you can actually build, display, or you can drive with remotes. So I definitely really enjoyed doing these things growing up, and I think I have an opportunity to do these things now. So I'd like to maybe document the process throughout this whole thing, and kind of share with you guys the process, what's involved, what you might need, and then just take you back to some point in your history as you grew up as an auto enthusiast. So real quick, I also wanted to talk about this RC car here. It's actually really impressive for what it is. Bought it on Amazon for really cheap, probably under 30 bucks, and it comes with 2 batteries, and it's built really well. It definitely moves quite well. Very simple. Kids love it, and yeah, battery life isn't great, but it's a sub $50 Amazon toy, so I can understand that. But it's not too bad. They get supplied with extra battery anyway, and that helps. So with these 3 things here, I mean, you guys may be familiar with these brands: Revell, AMT, and Tamiya, of course, among many others. These are the ones I have recently bought. I've had a bunch over the years. I got a couple buddies of mine who have, rooms full of things like these. So anyway, trying to use the quarantine time to go back to a point in time in my automotive enthusiasm where I like building these things. So I plan on building this one here just for fun. This one is in its original packaging, and it's never been opened, and yeah, it's a little smushed, but you can tell everything is still intact. All original. So I'm going to probably keep this and store it until I decide to break it open. And this one back here I'm actually selling. So probably put it on eBay. I think it's quite a popular one. I just don't think I'll actually either build it or store it. And I'm offering it up because, I think that's a good balance of the things I have here. And again, I'll leave a link for this one, just in case you want to get something for the kids or even for yourself to play around with. It's definitely not a bad buy. All right. As always, welcome your feedback and input. This is something you're, maybe you're feeling nostalgic about. Feel free to leave a comment. Give me your thoughts, feedback. And if you like what you see, please subscribe and like and follow for daily content. All right, y'all. So hopefully things are going well in quarantine, and hope to speak to you guys soon. All right, peace. Yeah, I thought I should add on a little bit more to that, and I'll edit this out later if I have to. But either way, this one I'd like to at least unbox and show you guys what's inside. It did have the plastic wrapping, but I removed it, because I intend on building this one. So I'm going to pull the box off and pull out the insides to show you what's there. Alright, sealed body, tires, and looks like lights and windshield and such. Various other bits. And here we have the entire assembly: interior, exterior. Oops. So definitely going to take some time, but it'll be interesting to see what this looks like when it's put together. I like that it comes with the decals here, original decals, and it's always nice to keep things looking like what it would look like life size. The booklet here actually even gives you the guide of like all the different colors you can get for the way it would look original. I'd love to see if I can maybe get something slightly different, but yeah, I might decide against that and just keep it extremely original. But either way, I'm excited to build this, and I think it'll be fun putting it together.